Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Phantom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your name, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on preferences here. So then you click here on preferred Bitcoin address. Just click on it. So then you come here to native Segwit here. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.